In a major push to strengthen the party's grassroots foundation, a high-level organizational meeting was convened at the BJP state headquarters in Agartala. The session saw the participation of top government officials and party leadership, including ministers, MLAs, and all district and mandal presidents. The meeting, presided over by CM Dr. Manik Saha and State President Rajib Bhattacharjee, focused on micro-level management ahead of upcoming political challenges. The primary objective of the gathering was to bridge the gap between the administration and the ground-level workers. Mandal presidents were directed to intensify door-to-door outreach to ensure that Modi's guarantees and state-specific benefits are reaching every household. District presidents were tasked with monitoring local grievances and ensuring that the work of various departments is visible at the village level. Ministers and MLAs were instructed to maintain close coordination with the Mandal leadership to resolve local issues swiftly and maintain political momentum. Sources indicate that the meeting also served as an internal audit of the party's performance in various constituencies. With an eye on upcoming local and organizational polls, the leadership stressed the need for absolute unity and disciplined execution of the party's roadmap. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.